Good morning, students. I am Rahul Nandan, your GK teacher. Today I am going to teach lesson 13. Students, lesson 13 is International Awards. Awards are presented in almost every area of achievement. Given below are the particulars of some world famous awards. Write the names of the awards using descriptions given below. The first one, this British Book Prize was set up in 1968. It is awarded each year for the best novel published in the previous 12 months. That is Man Booker Prize. Second one, Cannes Film Festival is the annual international film festival held in Cannes in the south of France. Its most important award is Golden Palm, which dates back to 1955. Third one, named after Roman Magsaysay, President of Philippines. This award is for outstanding contribution in public service and community leadership. Magsaysay Award. This US award is named after publisher Joseph Pulitzer and began in 1917. Awarded for outstanding work in journalism, literature, and music. Pulitzer Award. Award name is Pulitzer Award. Fifth one, named after the great scientist Alfred Nobel. This award began in 1901, conferred for outstanding work in physics, chemistry, medicine, literature, peace, economics. That is Nobel Prize. First presented in 1929, this award is also called the Academy Award. This award is given annually by the Academy of Motion Pictures. That is Oscar Award. Seventh one. This award is presented for the best film and best actors at the Berlin International Film Festival, Germany. The first award ceremony was held in 1951. Golden Bear Award. That is a Golden Bear Award. 8th, named after Mahatma Gandhi. This award is instituted by the Government of India. Awarded annually, this international award is given to individuals and institutions for their contributions towards social, economic, and political transformation through non-violence and other Gandhian methods. This award began in 1995, that is International Gandhi Peace Prize. I am going to teach lesson 14, landmarks of the world. Here are some landmarks in the world. Write the name of the country in which they are located. Stonehenge, Wiltshire. It is situated at England. Second one, the Colosseum, Rome. It is situated at Italy. Third one, Pyramids, Giza. It is situated at Egypt. The fourth one, Uluru, Northern Territory. It is situated at Australia. Fifth one, Mount Fuji, Honshu Island. It is situated at Japan. Sixth one, Christ the Redeemer, Rio de Janeiro. It is situated at Brazil. Next one, Golden Gate Bridge, Golden Gate Bridge, San Francisco, United States. It is situated at United States. Next one, Eiffel Tower, Paris. It is situated at France. The last one, Taj Mahal, Uttar Pradesh. It is situated at India.